Hello guys, we are today with a new unboxing video. We got the Bosch Rotary hammer GBH 220. It got 2 joules of impact power, 720 watts. It can drill in concrete up to 22 mm. It take SDS plus bit. It got chisel function. Let's see what we have inside. First we have our rotary hammer. The user's manual. And we got this thing here. We see later how it works. That's it for the box. First thing I see, it's got a long cable. It's good for work. It's all new tool, power tool from Bosch. It says professional. You got your Bosch hammer. It got all 4 functions in one button. You go from drilling, impact drilling, and chisel mode. It's a good ergonomic, and it feels very good in the hand. It's little small, a little rotary hammer. This is how it looks in my hand. You got more information here, and also you got more information on drilling. Like it goes from 4 to 22 in concrete. It goes up to 30 mm in metal and up to 30 mm in wood. And it takes SDS plus bits, as we mentioned earlier. It's very good in the hand. I like it. I like how it feels in my hand. And you got this button to turn it right or left the way. You can control the depth of the drilling with this tool here. You simply fit it in here. You push that button and you are ready to go. By this way, you can control your drilling. So you can't go far away from the other side. So let's try it and see how it works. As I said, it takes SDS plus bits. I use SDS plus 5X from Bosch. There it is. We got here 5 heads for drilling. It goes really good and it's a good quality drill bit. To stick it in your rotary hammer, you simply push it in. Like this. And you are ready to go. Let's switch it to the drilling mode. Unlike other brands, you have to push the chuck inside. To put the bit in, you have to push the chuck inside and put your SDS plus bit. But in the Bosch, you simply push the bit only, like this. You simply do that and you are ready to go. That's in the drilling mode. I'm turning to hammer. And this is the chiseling mode button. That's it. I really like the ergonomic of this rotary hammer. It feels really good in the hand. Look how small it is. It's all brand new. You have your carbon cover to replace them from inside by opening these cases here, these two, so you can easily reach your carbon. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you later. That was the video of today. I hope you like watching this review. We see you in the next videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye.